Most people think a mini course won't make a difference, but that's not true. Hi, I'm Jyotima and I made over 217,000 euro with small mini courses under 50 euro. People call me the mini course queen. That's why I wrote the book, The Mini Course Method. Today I show you how a mini course funnel actually works. How to guide your customers step by step to your bigger offers without chasing them all the time. And that's exactly what we make happen. Part 1. What is a mini course funnel? A mini course funnel is simple. Start small. A mini course costs between $27 to $47. Your customers learn something useful and think, wow, this really helped me. When they are excited, you show them your next step. A bigger offer. Think of it like a staircase. The mini course is the first small step. Once it works, your customer will move up automatically to the next upsell, to the next online course, or your group programs or one-on-one coaching program. Part 2. Real life examples. Here's how my clients like coaches and therapists use it. A stress coach would make a mini course 10 minutes stress relief. The upsell would be a $600 coaching program for long-term stress relief. Self-worth therapist, a mini course for only $90, 3 exercises for instant confidence. The upsell could be a group program for deeper work, up to $500. A relationship coach could offer a mini course for $47, Stop Toxic Relationships. And the upsell could be how to find your dream partner, online course for $300, or coaching program for $1,500. They don't just buy the mini course, they need more help. And you will guide them to your premium offers in a smooth way without chasing them. Part 3. The 3 ways to upsell your mini course. A could be directly at checkout. You can install it by an order bump or an upsell page. Customers will buy your mini course and in the checkout they will get the next low ticket offer or upsell page. And the price for this program could be $200. After the purchase, an email sequence starts with more success stories, with more tips and the next step to your bigger offer. Example, here's the next step for more lasting results. Invite them to a webinar, how to turn your first wins into a lasting result. At the end, you are pitching your premium program. Wow, so much content. By the way, if you like this video, please leave a comment and subscribe to this channel. This way you won't miss my next tips. Part 4. Why it works. Customers who already paid for your mini course are more likely to buy. They've had small wins and now they know your expertise. Now they're ready for more. And once that trust is built, no cold calls are needed. That's why a mini course doesn't just sell one small product. It opens the door to your whole business. Now you see, a mini course is the start of your full business. Get my book, The Mini Course Method. I show you step by step how to set up a funnel like this. The link you find below this video. And now, go watch my next video for even more tips and strategies to build a successful online business. I see you there.